Are you noticing more hair in your shower or on your pillow? Let's understand why. Well, hair are the second fastest multiplying cells in our body, the fastest being your bone marrow cells, making them extremely sensitive to the overall health of our body. So whenever our body goes through any kind of stress, whether it is any illness, fever, infections, nutritional deficiencies like anemia, hormonal imbalance, thyroid, PCOD, or even excessive weight loss, nutritional deficiencies, our hair cycle gets disturbed. Whenever the hair cycle gets disturbed, there is more shedding of hair and less of production of hair and less growth of hair, and this makes our hair very thin, brittle, fine, and that is the reason one ends up getting a lot of hair loss and shedding. Not just that, even genetic hair loss could be a reason for your hair loss. In absolutely healthy individuals, male pattern hair loss, female pattern hair loss could be a reason for your hair loss, or even with age the hair do become thinner. Apart from these internal reasons, hair loss could also be due to external factors, external grooming damage. Any kind of heat or chemical, whether it is straightening, ironing, blow drying, firming lotions, bleaching, keratin, botox, you name it, so much of it is going on these days. All of them have some impact on your hair strands. The shafts get weaker, the cuticular layer, the cortex, everything gets weaker. The initial few weeks to few months are a breeze, and that's when you realize that the hair look much more frizzy, much more brittle, much more dull, lack of luster, and they look as if they are just going to break any time. And that is because the hair shaft has become weaker. So it's always good to know what are the causes behind your hair loss, because that helps us planning your treatment better. So hair loss is not just a cosmetic issue, it's a body signal to what's going wrong with our body, or what's going wrong that needs to be corrected. So if you are struggling with hair loss and you're not able to figure out what to do, DM us or reach us. We'll try and figure out and help you out with your hair loss.